Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to draw Super Saiyan Rose Goku Black. And I really hope this video helps you. So grab a pencil and paper and let's dive in. But before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more drawing tutorials. Let's start by drawing a 6cm square on your A4 size paper and divide it in half to get 4 3cm squares. This will help us keep the proportions nice and balanced. Now, we'll work on the eyes. Start from the middle of the square and sketch the eye carefully. And don't forget those Dragon Ball style cheek lines. Next, draw the nose and the mouth. For the face, draw a vertical guideline through the middle of the mouth to keep everything symmetrical. Now, moving towards the hair, start with the front bangs. And also don't forget to add the ears. And use these guidelines to help you keep the proportions accurate. For the rest of the hair, use these guidelines as a base to follow along. Once the hair is done, add the Batara earring on his ear. Then let's move down to his torso. Once the sketch is finished, take a moment to look over your drawing and make some adjustments you need. Now comes the fun part, inking. Okay, so grab your fine liners or markers and enjoy the process. Ink in smooth single lines, don't overdo it, and maybe put some music while you work on it. It makes it way more fun. After the first layer of inking, erase the pencil lines and then go back for a second layer of inking. It really makes your drawing really pop. Finally, it's time to color. For this drawing, I'm using Ohuhu Markers, but you can use whatever you have. So let's start with the eyebrow. Start by using the light tone to make a base. Then use mid-tone for a little bit of highlights. For the eyebrows, just use two colors. And then for the eye, just use the gray color. Now let's go to the hair. For the hair, you're going to use the same color you used for his eyebrows. Just make a base with a light tone, then use the mid-tone and dark tone for some highlights. Face and everything else will also use the same formula from light to mid to dark. And just finish off with the torso with the same method. And there you have it. Your Super Saiyan Rose Goku Black drawing is complete. Hope you like this video and hope this video helped you a lot. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Comment below which character you want to see next. It could be Dragon Ball or any other anime you want. And so until next time, keep drawing and keep having fun.